Today we're checking out the powered heated, powered folding mirrors with blind spot detection, puddle lights, temperature sensor, and turn signal in texture black for the 2019 and newer Ram 1500. If you want to replace your factory mirrors with a setup that's going to bring back those convenience and safety features all at once, this is a really well-rounded package. These are the kind of mirrors that help the truck feel more complete and more premium every single time you drive it, so they're definitely worth considering. These mirrors are loaded with useful features. It includes the power folding, the heat, the blind spot detection, puddle lights, turn signals, and temperature sensor, so they do a lot more than just sit on the side of the truck and let you see what's behind you. That makes these a strong option for somebody who wants better all-weather visibility with that power heated function, more help in traffic, and a little bit more convenience in those tight parking spots. The power folding function is especially nice on a full-size truck because it makes squeezing into garages and tighter spots a lot easier. While that blind spot detection system is going to help add the convenience when changing lanes, and that's a nice safety feature, so you don't have to worry about your blind spot. The puddle lights and the turn signals on the back are super clean, and they're also a practical day-to-day touch that make the truck easier to use and easier for other drivers to see you. Since they're sold as a pair, this gives the Ram a matched finish look on both sides instead of just fixing one broken mirror where things look mismatched and out of place. When it comes to the construction on this, you are getting heavy-duty OEM spec mirror construction with a texture black exterior. That OEM style design is meant to hold up really well over time and match the factory look of the truck perfectly, while the DOT certification and the compliance add a little bit more confidence knowing the overall quality and the safety side of the package is intact. As far as the pricing goes on these, they're coming in right in the upper $400 price range. That definitely puts these above a budget, no feature replacement mirror setup, but it makes a lot of sense because you're getting a full pair with power folding, blind spot detection, puddle lights, turn signals, and the temperature sensor all built into the mirror. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can have this job done in 2 hours of your time, or even less if everything goes smooth. So let's head on out to the shop. We're going to give you a detailed walkthrough of exactly how this install process goes.
For this install, you need a ratchet, a socket extension, a 10mm socket, a pick, and a trim clip removal tool. Today we're going to be installing mirrors on our Ram 1500. First, we want to remove this cover that's behind the door handle. We're going to be using a pick. After we do that, we're going to remove this bolt with a 10mm socket, socket extension, and a ratchet. Next, we're going to remove this cover with a pick. After that, we want to remove these 2 bolts with a 10mm socket, socket extension, and a ratchet. And then we want to get a trim clip removal tool, and we want to insert it on the edge of the door card and pry up and pull the door card off of the door. Next, you want to disconnect the window switch. We're going to pinch this connector and pull down. Next, we're going to take this clip and this door panel and insert it into that part of the door. We're doing this so we don't have to fiddle with the door handle mechanism. So you just want to set it like that. Then we're going to take off this whole plastic shroud. You just want to put your hand right here. You can just pull back. We're just going to go up and pull this off. And then we want to remove these 2 connectors. I'm going to take one of our hands, pinch up top, pull back, and then pinch up top and pull back. One thing I would like to mention before we start, This harness is going to be clipped in. Our harness is missing some of those, but don't worry, when we go and install the new product, I will show you where to put these clips. With that out of the way, we're going to remove these two nuts and then these two bolts. We're going to be using a 10mm socket, socket extension, and a ratchet. Then for this last bolt, you want to make sure you hold the mirror with one hand, and then you can loosen the bolt. Now you can remove your mirror. Now that you've removed the mirror on this side, repeat the same process on the other side. Now it's time to install our mirror. From there, we're going to thread in two of our nuts. And then two of our bolts. To tighten these two nuts and these two bolts down, we're going to be using a 10mm socket, socket extension, and a ratchet. And then we're going to put on this plastic cover. Next, we're going to plug in our harness. You're going to notice there are 4 holes. The second hole up is going to be for our black harness. And then above that, we're going to plug in our white one. Then we're going to go down our harness and start clipping it in. And then we're going to plug in our window switch. Now we can put on our door card. You just want to tap it into place. Next, we're going to put our bolts back in these 2 holes. We're going to use a 10mm socket and a socket extension as well as a ratchet to tighten these down. Then you want to put your cover back on. Then we want to take our last bolt, put it in that hole right there. We're going to tighten it down with a 10mm socket, socket extension, and a ratchet. And lastly, you want to put this trim piece back in. Now that you've installed this mirror, repeat the same process on the other side. Alrighty, that about wraps up this review and install of the powered heated power folding mirrors with blind spot detection, puddle lights, temperature sensor, and turn signal in textured black for a 2019 and up Ram 1500. Thank you for watching, and remember, for everything Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.